Okay, so we're going to authorize this integration. And please make sure that you have access to the developer.webex.com site. What we're going to do here is to grab your bearer token to authorize the integration. There's multiple ways to do this. We're going to follow along with the instructions as indicated at the help.webex.com site. So in following along, we're going to go to the documentation, and on the left side of the page, we're going to scroll on down. Pay attention under the API section. Let's scroll down quite a bit here, and there's the full API reference. And there you're going to find the people and get my own details. Many of you've probably done this before. Go ahead and select Get. And then we're going to move on to Copy. So let's get that launch code, also known as your bearer token. Let's go ahead and copy. And then we're going to paste this in the Salesforce environment. And by now you should be getting familiar on how to get to your Webex admin. Just type in admin and you'll see Webex admin. You'll be a pro at this in no time at all. And there is a space waiting for you. In this field, you're going to paste it. And please don't be confused by the unregister section that's coming. Let's walk through that. So let's go ahead and register. And you'll get a success in green. There we go. So that's good for 12 hours. So let's verify also to check the integration status. So the same user token, if we paste that and save it again, the following window is going to occur, and the only selection should be unregister. So if an unregister button is shown, then the integration worked. Thanks.